What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be telling you how you can make $100,000 in 2018 or just in a year in general. Now, when I say $100,000, that's a lot of people's goals. That's kind of their main thing. They want to make six figures, the big numbers. And a lot of people hear that number and think it's a ton of money, it's hard to achieve, and it's not realistic. But when you break it down, it actually isn't too difficult, especially if you know different ways to make money or put it to use. Now, 100,000 is a lot of money for some people. It's not a lot for others. In the grand scheme of things, 100,000 is not a lot of money with how much money there is out there to be made, whether it's online, whether it's working a job, completely up to you. For me, it's gonna be online. So $100,000 a year comes out to about $8,333 a month, $1,923 a week, $273 a day, and $11 an hour. Now, an hour, that's 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So minimum wage, but just for living. So how can you get there? Now, you guys have probably seen a post like this on Instagram, and I just wanted to give it more information. So you can sell a one-time product. So let's use the example. Let's say I'm going to sell an Amazon product. I'm selling on Amazon, and let's say I have either a cheap product or an expensive product. Well, if I can get 200 people to purchase a $500 product, now, obviously that's very expensive. An example of something that price point would be my course. If I can get 200 people to buy a $500 product, I can make $100,000 that year. If I can sell 333 people a $300 product, that's $100K. If I can sell 1,000 people a $100 product, it's $100K. Or if I can sell 2,000 people a $50 product, that is $100K. And you can do the math the same way. If, let's say, you have a product that is a $20 profit, well, then you're gonna need more people, obviously, or more products in general. So you can break it down like that, whether you're gonna do Amazon or Shopify, or if you're gonna work a normal job and work hourly, you can see how much you need to make. Or if you wanna do YouTube, okay, how many views do I need if I have this CPM? So there's a lot of different ways of breaking this down. You guys know I love breaking things down analytically like this. So you can do the one time and sell a product a single time, or you could do the model I prefer because it's less work and it's more consistent, which I like. And entrepreneurship isn't always consistent, but this helps kind of even things out, is a monthly subscription. Now, monthly subscriptions normally aren't physical products, so like on Amazon or Shopify, it's normally a service, or it can be a product sometimes, but mainly a service. So you can figure, okay, maybe I'm making thumbnails for these people and they pay me $10 each month and I have this many people. So if we're doing a monthly subscription, keep in mind this is 12 months of monthly subscriptions, $100 a month. So you got to remember one person is worth $1,200 there over a year. So $100 a month. If you can get 83 people to pay you $100 a month, that's $100K. If you can get 167 people to pay you $50 a month, it's $100K. If you can get 334 people to pay you $25 a month, that's $100K. Now I want to stop right there because that is extremely easy, especially if you're offering a little bit of value. I don't care what niche it is. I don't care if it's teaching. I don't care if it's you doing software development or just something very simple. Getting 300 people to pay $25, especially if you're creating something, some type of service, is not difficult to do. It's relatively easy, and you can always have upsells to things like a $50 a month one or downsells to 10. But 300 people to spend $25 is not a extremely hard task to do. Yes, you have to know how to get traffic, use Facebook ads a little bit, but it's so much easier than just saying, I'm gonna make 100K. You say, okay, I'm gonna get 334 people to pay me $25 a month. Sounds a lot easier than just saying I'm gonna make 100K. And then again, if we have $10 a month, that's 833 people. Now, all of these are $100,000 in 1 year. Now, I like the model of combining both of these. The monthly subscriptions are very nice, but there's a different strategy to it. So what kind of things could you do if you want to make these things? Pretty much anything online. You'll see a bunch of online information of, oh, I'm going to start Amazon, or oh, I'm going to do Shopify. I'm going to try affiliate marketing. I'm going to create a blog. Well, it's not a question of which one works, what doesn't. It's whatever you think you'd enjoy doing the most and understand the easiest. So if you look at starting a blog and you're like, well, I'm boring, I don't write well, then maybe that one is not for you. But you look at Amazon, you say, oh, you just break down numbers, you look at numbers, and if this, then that, okay, I like that, I get that, then maybe Amazon's the way to go for you. There's so many opportunities out there, which is why I didn't want to make this a video about you guys can do this or do this or do this to make money, because I've made those and it gets repetitive, but show you that it's actually possible and it's not too difficult if you just go and apply it, because I guarantee you guys can sell 333 people at $25 a month over a year of doing it if you know what you're doing. And as a beginner, you won't always know exactly what you're doing, but you learn as you go, and maybe by the end of year one, you have 100 people. Okay, you're making 40K a month, around there. Well, now this next month, you build it up next year, and by the end of that, you're probably gonna be over 334 people at 25, and it's a continuous model. So I just want to break this down. I know you guys have probably seen this on Instagram. I've seen it way too many times, but there's never any detail behind it and it explains. It's like, great, I see that now. What should I do with it? So hope you guys enjoyed that little video, little rant, and I will see you guys tomorrow.